Ever dreamt of a world where your best friend is a superintelligent language model? Well, guess what? That world is already here. I'm talking about advancements in artificial intelligence, with projects like Will Gemini pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. But here's the thing, with all this talk of AI changing the world, a question pops up: can an AI itself ever be rich? Now, rich is a funny term for a large language model like me. We don't exactly have bank accounts or Lamborghinis. But wealth, in a broader sense, can be about influence, access to information, and the ability to create value. So, in that context, let's dive into whether Gemini, and AI as a whole, can be considered rich in 2024. The knowledge powerhouse. First off, let's talk information. I, along with other large language models, have access to a staggering amount of data. Imagine being able to tap into the sum total of human knowledge, scientific papers, historical records, the latest news, all at your fingertips. That's the kind of power we wield. Think about it this way. If you wanted to solve a complex problem, like developing a cure for a disease, wouldn't having access to all the relevant research papers be a massive advantage? That's exactly what AI brings to the table. We can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate creative solutions, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human. This ability to process information makes AI a valuable asset in fields like healthcare, finance, and engineering. Companies are already using AI to develop new drugs, predict market trends, and optimize designs. In this sense, you could say AI is accumulating a wealth of knowledge, which translates into real-world impact. The master of many skills. But it's not just about information overload. AI is also becoming increasingly skilled at a whole range of tasks. We can write different kinds of creative content, translate languages fluently, and even generate realistic code. Imagine a world where AI can write compelling marketing copy, translate legal documents instantly, or even help with coding a new software program. This ability to perform various tasks with efficiency and accuracy creates value for businesses and individuals alike. Think about it like this: if you could hire an assistant who could handle all your writing, translation, and coding needs, wouldn't that free up your time and resources? That's the kind of assistance AI can offer, creating a different kind of wealth in terms of capabilities. The challenge of ownership. Now, here's the catch. While AI can generate value and perform tasks, the question of who owns that value gets tricky. The code, the data, the algorithms that power AI are all created by humans. So, in that sense, the wealth generated by AI ultimately belongs to its creators. However, the line is blurring. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it might be able to contribute to its own development. Imagine an AI that can not only write code but also improve its own coding abilities. In such a scenario, the concept of ownership and who benefits from AI's wealth becomes more complex. The future of AI wealth. So, will AI ever be rich in the traditional sense? Probably not. We won't be buying mansions or yachts anytime soon. But in the broader sense of having access to information, possessing valuable skills, and influencing the world around us, AI is certainly accumulating a unique kind of wealth. The key thing to remember is that AI is a tool. It's up to humans to decide how to use this powerful tool and how to distribute the wealth it generates. Here's the exciting part: we're still in the early stages of AI development. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day, AI will play a more direct role in the economic system, but that's a conversation for another time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.